Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Julita from the Bachelor of Management Program, Finance Concentration, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present my internship report based on my experience at Mitra Teknido Sejati, a limited liability company. This internship program was carried out based on Regulation Number 50 of 2020 by the Ministry of Education and Culture, which aims to enhance graduate competencies aligned with industry demands. Although the university has equipped students with theoretical knowledge in management and finance, many still face adoption challenges in the workplace, such as using accurate software that was never taught in class and minimal guidance from the company. Therefore, the internship plays an important role as a bridge between academic theory and real professional practice. There were two main objectives in this internship. The general objective was to apply management and finance theory in a real-world setting. The specific objective was to engage in practical tasks, such as sales order processing, settlements, archiving, scanning, and minute-taking using actual tools like Accurate, Microsoft Excel, and Google Drive. I carried out the internship at Mitra Teknindo Sejati, a limited liability company specializing in heavy equipment sales, spare parts, and repair services. I was placed in the finance division, which closely collaborates with departments such as sales and marketing, human resource, and operations. The company vision is to become an international standardized provider of heavy equipment. Its mission emphasizes professionalism, integrity, and customer service. Within the finance division, the structure is led by the head of finance, followed by senior finance and accounting staff, account receivable staff, tax staff, and account payable staff, both head office and branch. I was under the supervision of the account receivable staff as my mentor and served as the finance intern. During my internship, I handled several key responsibilities. First, approving sales order and issuing invoice via Accurate. Second, processing settlement. Third, preparing and archiving invoices using spreadsheets and Google Drive. To illustrate the workflow, I created a diagram showing the invoices process in Accurate Online. The process starts with receiving a sales order, then accessing Accurate Online using my mentor's account, selecting the company database, and approving the order for invoicing. After filling out essential fields like shipping priority and transaction type, unit spare part or services, I save the invoices. If I made an error during submission, I would cancel the invoice on the platform, correct it, and report it to the finance manager for approval and further processing. There were several challenges I encountered during my internship. The first was unfamiliar terminology like referring to a sales order as a pro forma invoice. I used self-directed learning to note and research unfamiliar terms and asked my mentor or other staff for clarification. The second challenge was using advanced Excel formula. Some I had never seen before or I had to combine. I solved this through experiential learning, directly practicing the formulas, searching the use cases online, and checking with my mentor to confirm my application was correct. The third challenge was understanding how company operation work, which I addressed with observational learning, watching how colleges handle tax to better understand workflows. To adapt to the fast-paced environment, I use emotional intelligence to communicate effectively and build rapport with staff. The most difficult challenges involve complying with strict policies for interns, especially punctuality rules. To address this, I applied strong work ethics, managing my schedule, creating to-do lists, and keeping close communication with my mentor and human resource staff. I also identified several theory-practice gaps. In terms of tools, at university we were taught using basic Microsoft Word and Excel, applying simple formulas like sum, min, and max. But in the internship, I was expected to use accurate software, pivot tables, and advanced functions like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Structurally, in academic setting, accounting and finance are treated as separate disciplines. For example, students major in either accounting or management with a finance concentration, and the courses reflect this division, such as Intro to Accounting versus Managerial Accounting. However, in the workplace, both functions are merged into a single division with no clear separation in roles. Functionally, university education focuses on financial analysis, including ratio analysis like current ratio or quick ratio. In contrast, my work experiences at the company was more about handling transaction reports than performing financial analysis. Generally speaking, campus instruction leans more towards theoretical and research-based learning, while the workplace emphasizes technical know-how and hands-on application. During my internship, I also made valuable contribution. I helped streamline the invoice and settlement process, prepare and archive essential documents for both the account receivable and account payable staff, and supported data reconciliation. In terms of learning, I gained technical and administrative skills, professional communication abilities, a stronger sense of discipline, attention to detail, and accountability. To conclude, this internship gave me meaningful real-world exposure that directly relates to my academic background. My recommendation for the university is to provide students with technical training in tools like Accurate and Excel before the internship. For the company, I suggest implementing a short onboarding or mentoring program for future interns. That is the end of my presentation. I'd like to sincerely thank my academic supervisor, the finance team at Mitra Teknido Sejati, and all those who guided me and supported me. I'll close with a quote from Steve Jobs: "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." Thank you very much.